Putik. Wait. Putik close.
Ba kayo maglaro?
Oh my God!
Kasi ako
Hindi nga.
sa
Yung creepy.
Hey!
Hi! What's up mga kapage? Ako nga pala si Hendrix. Nandito ako para maglaro ng Roblox Eyeless Jack. And sa totoo lang ay laro talaga siya. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano dito napunta sa Roblox, no. Yung itong horror game na to dapat sa ano lang to sa Steam, sa mga laptop ganun. Pero bakit napunta sa Roblox? Tell me. Bakit napunta sa Roblox? So, yun, hindi ko napapatagal yung video na to. Please leave a like and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell button down there. And ito. Ayan, let's start. Roblox Eyeless Jack. Yeah, I had no idea what about it was. I was just laying down and he was staring at me. Until now, I didn't believe in paranormal events, but he was the Eyeless Jack. Okay, so mag-cursor na ako. Okay, huwag niyo pansinin yung malaking bit. Sino ka? Talk. Finally, we're arrived to this birthday. Ano daw? Yes, i-reset ko para lang mabasa ko yun. For 10 years, everything is literally ini-skip ko, yun lang pala yun. I wonder where this is. I really don't remember, but it must be around here. Yo. Find the key and open the door. Eh kuya, wala naman eh. Ito yan! Maghanap ka din eh, no? Sasaksakan kita nito. Sige, ano? Bawal tumalo ng pangit. Unlocked. Tara na! Tok. Edwin, again. Again talaga, again. Again. This is the best horror game ever. Yo, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, once na lumagpas yung cursor ko nandito, bawal na siya maano. Tingnan mo to, unlimited siya. Yippee! So, yehey. I'm so... Tok. Ba tayo mag-tok? You found the key. Now you could help me move this key and the boxes. Put all the boxes inside your room. Ano, saan ba? Ito pala. Wala! Ako nagulat sa sarili ko. Okay, salamat. Bro, save me. Yo, what is this? It's so cute. Yo, what is that? Yo, si Super Man. Tapos sino to? Si Batman. Tambak na yung damit natin, no? Ha? Bawal na namang may squish. Kotsa. E! Letter E palang interact. Oo nga. So, hindi natin ito gagamitin yung LMB. LMB. Ito. So, Thanks for your help. I couldn't move then without you. Ay, hindi ko pa ito nalalaman. No problem. Right, I wanna sit down. We can chat a little bit. Thanks for time to tired after moving those boxes. I think I will drop off. What do you mean? Yes, of course. Sleep well. Yo, baka magkaroon tayo ng sleep paralysis. Tapos, kapag ganun lang tayo, tapos, takot ako. Wait lang, bago tayo matulog. Bago tayo matulog, meron pa akong ipopromote sa inyo na iihi lamang ako. Ang pinatagal ko po yung sarili ko. Yung ihi na dito yung tao, pinatagal mo pa siya. Okay. Grabe yung promote ko. Baka hindi ko yan napansin. Ang yan. Oh, meron tayong manga. I mean, 2:30 a.m. Like, I swear. Kala ko sleep paralysis, bro. I swear. What sounds very good. Morning, hope you had a nice rest. Oh, well, I heard noise at night. Just a raccoon, probably. Stay sweaty nga. You must be hungry. Well, I prepare breakfast. Can you scratch the leaves outside, brother? Alright. What if hindi siya yung ano? Ay! Anong luluto mo? Gardenia? Ay, tinapay. Bakit mo sinabi yung brand? Nangamoy yung utot ko. Amoy durian. What do you mean scratch the leaves from the outside? Ito pala. Lang, patingin. What is the... Oh. What if hindi ko nakita yung footprint yan? Where's secret ending? Brother, it's done. Though I have said the Ha? Raccoon? Raccoon? Ito na talaga ako kakarat na jumpscare. Ano? Put the laundry. What do you mean laundry? Yung ano ba? Sa akin ba? Oh, ay nga tayong nangangamoy. Put the laundry. Take. Wow, what? Isa-isa! No freaking way. Trust. Yes! I have that. Yes, okay na kuya. Sarap mong bugbugin. Sabi ko sa inyo. Yours smells better now. What if yung damit na yun? Scrap. Go on. No, don't go on. Kakain na ako. I guess we'll do bada. Bakit nap? Kakain na tayo. Nagluto yung kuya. Good night. What? So, pwede bang kumain like norm? I think dito na tayo magbabardagulan. And po nga pala, dun sa intro ko. So, madami ako dong mali. Ayusin ko na lang. And then, yung outro ko, dinilit ko kasi mali din yun. And, medyo okay na ngayon, no? Dinilit ko na rin yung intro dun. Kasi, 3:20 a.m. Okay. Doon tayo magbabardagulan. Yo, I could die. Wala man lang flashlight like God. Yes. Oo. Ano klaseng flashlight to? Nagana ba? Oo nga, nagana. Saan ba yung switch? Oh my gosh. Yo, I don't trust my brother. I don't trust my brother. I swear. Nandito. Look at that. Look at that. Switch. Switch. Ganun. Sleep. Yeah, I think meron pumasok dito. Bukas. Yo, bakit ka nagbukas? I don't trust nights. Morning, brother. What happened to your face? What? Wait, look in the mirror. Ganun. An hour later. Huh? Sleepwalking? This is weird. What do you mean sleepwalking? What do we have more serious problems? What? A kidney? What? How can that happen? I don't know what happened. My condolence. Take some rest and take care of yourself. Yo, ang mahal nun! Yung kidney ko, alam mo ba yon? Ang isang kidney, 1 million. 100 million lang pala. Ha? Alam mo yon, ha? Siyempre, hindi mo yun alam kasi wala kang alam. Toko Edwin. Yun naman. Kasi na achievement lang yung nandun na isa, yung chicken nuggets. Hindi. Nilagay talaga siya. Kaya hindi talaga siya mapupuntan. Yo. I swear. I'm closing the doors. I'm closing the doors. Kamaya na. Closing all the doors. Closing all the doors. How did it go? Told me that I was sleepwalking. Makes no sense. Never. You have to rest today. Naka-record ba? Video. Oo nga, naka-record. Thank you, Edwin. Brother. Always blue. No. skip. No, dito na tayo magbabardagulan, please. No. Just like, no. 4:15! Ano to? Ba't hindi ko ginagalaw yan, ha? Okay, tapos wow. Okay. And then run. Where to run? So, bakit ka na? Umagal! Tayo! Watcha. Good morning. What the hell? I have both good news and bad news for you. The good news is you only the bad news is your brother is lost. He's the I'm deeply sorry. He's the mastermind. Bro, I swear. He is the all mastermind. He was the all mastermind of this. I swear, bro. Really, bro. Go to bedroom and take the gun. Yes. Baka naman dito, abulin pa ako nun. Yo, grabe yun. Take. Wait, what to close? No, brother, what is going on? What I'm supposed to do now? Oh, escape the house, take revenge to win, or $349. Skip the house. Do what? How to take cash? Kailangan ko ng 2 wins. So, para lang makuha ko. So, panoodin nyo na lang. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng video kasi nakaka-copyright ako. No? Nah, bro. I swear. Yes. What? Huh? What the hell? Yo, this is the rush. What the hell? Ano nagkaganito? Ano to? What? You died! Yo, I was complicated. What? What? No. Panoodin nyo na lang yung katapusan nito. Hindi ko na kaya. Kasi 1 oras na ako So, kanina pa kasi ako nagre-record and hindi ko alam kung anong lalaruin ko. And then, papalit-palit ako nung nilalaro ko. Tapos, kasama ko yung kaklase ko. Hindi sila yung parang live tuloy. Nadi-disconnect sila palagi. So, yun, that's Roblox Iris Jack Horror. And, oh my god, like, oh, ano yun? Ano yun, bro? Like, ang daya. Bro, ang daya nitong lalaking to. See that. Joke lang. So, oh my god talaga. So, oh my gosh. No? And yun, that's Roblox Eyeless Jack Horror. And panoodin nyo na lang sa YouTube kung ano yung katapusan nito. And bigla ko namatay, ha? Paano yun? Ha? So, yun. Kung nag-enjoy kayo, sana nag-enjoy kayo. Kasi ako, konting nag-enjoy, kaso nga lang hindi nag-enjoy. Nang 50-50 ako. Kasi, nag-enjoy ako kasi, doon sa yung doon sa mouse, yung sa mouse, yung na ganon. Hindi siya na ganon. Hindi siya nakaganon. Naka-steady lang talaga siya sa gitna. And then, tawag doon yung, sorry. Wait lang, inayos ko lang yung mouse ko. So, kaya ako nag-enjoy kasi nga doon sa mouse. And then, tapos doon sa wait lang, yan. Wait lang, ayaw mo So, yun, wait lang, nalilito ako. Grabe yun. So, nag-enjoy nga ako dahil dun sa mouse. So, nag-enjoy. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video ito kasi nag-enjoy ako, 50-50. Nag-enjoy ako, hindi ako nag-enjoy, 50-50 sila. And, kaya ako nag-enjoy kasi yung mouse, yung nakaganon, yung hindi siya na ganon, nasa gitna lang talaga siya. And then yung andaya kasi, kaya hindi ako nag-enjoy kasi hindi ko natapos. Like, ang duga. Ano yun? Andaya, like, wala akong ginawang masama. Natakbo lang ako and then, ang bilis niya. Grabe yun. So, sorry mga kapage, hindi ko na talaga kayang gawin kasi ilang oras na ako nandito. It's 5:37 and nagsimula ako 4:10. So, isang oras na ako nandito. And 27 minutes na ako nandito. Nakaupo dito sa chair na to at hindi nahiga. And yun, that's Eyeless Jack Horror. And sana nag-enjoy kayo. Kung hindi kayo nag-enjoy, please leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell button down there. Ayan. Salamat. Bye-bye. And sukat na ng likod ko. Aray, sakit.